Hey gardeners! In this video we will be looking at how to grow and harvest coriander. Typically the leaves of this plant are called cilantro and the seeds are called coriander, both of which are popular cooking ingredients. Growing cilantro is quite easy. We water our seeds and we cut the leaves off of the plant as they grow. Growing coriander, or the seeds, however, has a bit of nuance. If we don't harvest the plant early for cilantro and we let the plant mature, it will eventually begin to flower. Coriander puts out these beautiful bunches of white flowers which pollinators just love. Once pollinated, the flowers will fall away and a seed will emerge. This typically happens around the 120 days of age mark for the plants, and this is how that looks at first. These green seeds are edible at this stage, as the whole plant is, by the way, including the roots. But these green seeds would have a slightly milder, softer taste, potentially even be a bit bitter, and that's because they have not yet fully developed. For full taste and for seed viability, we want to wait until the seeds begin to brown and dry out, like those on the plant we see here. At this point, the seeds will fall off the plant very easily. A gentle roll between your fingers should get them loose. If we need to speed up this process, we can cut down the whole plant and hang it to dry. This is quite simple, and we can get hundreds of seeds from a single plant. Make sure your coriander seeds are completely dried before you store them, and that's all there is to it. Happy harvesting!